Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Eggplant emoji!
It's a new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations.
2 new Guinness World Records titles. Congratulations. You guys are officially amazing once again.
Three, two, one.
130 drones in the air. One, two, 3 emojis. It's like this. Cool emoji. The left there. Having a bad day, 7 emojis. Hard eyes. It's 9. Yeah, they are. Oh, the frustrated emoji, I think. I don't know what that, it could be frustrated. I don't know what the official name is.
I'm not sure, but they're hustling. They want to win.
There's another one where it's like, bad day. No, this is the one. Oh, sad record. Oh, 13. What? 14. I love it. I love the counter.
And that is 2 minutes.
2 minutes in? It's a mask, because everybody loves COVID masks nowadays. 17?
What a great reminder.
Oh, mad emoji. 18? It's like another...
Some angry faces in this.
We went hard anger on this thing. Emoji. Sick emoji. 22. Last one. Celebration hat emoji. Time should expire. And then it's just more emojis for fun. Fire. Fire. That show was fire. Fire show. Oh, let's go, Rockets! Love it. Ghost! Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Eggplant emoji! Now where are my water drops? Watermelon. Rocket ship! Rocket ship! All right, you're coming down. What do you think? What was your favorite emoji? Eggplant! Eggplant for the win! Yeah. Unicorn, rocket, all of them, love it.
What was the record?
Oh, the record to beat was 12.
Hey, Michael, that was a perfect show.
So, this was an official Guinness World Records attempt for most emojis in 3 minutes in a drone show. The existing record was 12. I was up in the stands monitoring. All the emojis were recognizable. All the drones functioned correctly, and I timed it. And I can now announce that today there were 24 emojis in 3 minutes, which is a new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations once again, Sky Elements, you are officially amazing. Great job. And a perfect show.
Perfect show!
And a perfect show.